Hello, students. Students, I'm here with question number 7 now. Let's do question 7. We have done question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now question 7 is very easy question. First of all, you have given sine 30 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is somewhere here. First, draw a straight line. 1 over 30, yes, 1 over 2. Now check, it's 30 degrees here. You know why? Because this is 30, this is 60, 90, and 120, 150. So this is 150. Now they say, what is the value for 150? So see, we got the value with the help of the graph. The graph is showing that 150 is also equal to 1 over 2. Now they say, what is sine 330? So this is sine 300, this is sine 330. If you bring the sine 330 here, a straight line, and then you make a straight line from here, is it the straight line? When you go to the y-axis, it's exactly midpoint, so it's minus 0.5. Since it's 1 mark question, there's no need of a lot of working, so it's minus 1 over 2. Done. Now question number 8. Question 8 says, here is a sketch of the curve y is equal to cos x. Use the graph to find the estimates of the solutions in the interval. They don't want exact values, they basically want estimated values. Now, what is the x when cos x is minus 0.4? So minus 0.4 is somewhere, students, here. So just go with this line towards the curve, and when you join the curve, see the line touches the curve at 2 points, here and here. Come on, check these values. If you see the box, one box is here 6. So if you go here, this point is 116, and if you go here, this point is 246. So these are the answers. Now, confirm please. I always ask my students to confirm the values. Let me check the value. Cos 216, cos 216. Sorry, cos 116, not 216. Cos 116. It's giving me minus 0.43 approximated value. It's almost near there. Okay, approximated value is 116, so my answer is almost correct because they don't want the exact value. And 240 cos 246. See here the result. Yeah, it's also minus 0.4, so it's correct. Now let's go to next part. Next part is here. This is cos x 3/4, which is cos x 0.75. Now where's 0.75? Please trace where's 0.75. 0.5 is here, 0.75 is here. So 0.75 is here. Now go with this, make a straight line here. Do it very careful because it's very delicate work. It should be very delicate work. Should be very careful. Yes, go here straight. You're touching the curve at 2 points. 1 point is somewhere here. 1 point is somewhere here. Now come on, bring those points. See, this is the point basically. This is the point. So bring it down. When you're coming down, it's somewhere here. It's touching somewhere here. Now this is each box is 6. 5 6 are 30. 6 6 are 36. It's almost near to 36 or 6 6 36. 6 7 are 42. So see, it's between 36 and 42. The answer is basically between these two values. So I will write here 36, more than 36. So it's, let's say 39 38. I will write 39 or 39 38.5. So let's check the answer here with calculator. Cos inverse 0.75. It's giving 41. So see, my estimated result is 39 and the answer is given there, given there with the help of with calculator, it's 41. So okay, fine. my estimated answer is 39 or 38.5. It's accepted. Now, next value is what? Next value is here, somewhere here. Now, see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and somewhere there. So, yeah, 4. If you see the curve in the line, they are touching each other at this point. So it's with me for 6 for 6 or 24. So 300 plus 24, which is 324, coming with me here. But if we see the exact value, so my answer, let's say 39 and 324. But if we see the exact value, cos inverse 0.75. So one answer is 41.4, and the other answer is, yeah, 360 minus 41.4. The other answer is 318, something like, yeah, almost. See, the difference is there, but see, this is 324 and the calculator value is 318. So almost near to the exact value. And estimation, we don't get the exact value. We are going to near to the exact value. So accept it. Next question, question number 9. Use your graph to solve cos x for when cos x is 0.5 to get the value of the angles. So see, 25, 0.5 is here. Then draw a line there. So touching the curve at this point. So 60 is one answer. The other answer is 300. Yes. So these two are the answer. Then they say cos x is minus 0.5. So cos x when minus 0.5, please go this way. This is 120 and the other value is 240. Then they say use your graph to find minus 0.75. Minus 0.75 somewhere here. Yes. Now each box is 1, 2, each box is 6. Okay. So this point is which one? This point is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. 18, 120 plus 3, 6 are 18. So 138. And here 210 plus 210 plus 16. No, 210 plus 12, sorry, 210 plus 12. So 222 is the next answer. So we got two answers, 138 and 222. Yes, this is the answer. Now let's go to the next answer. Next question. Okay, see again, class. This is 210. Let me check it again because I want to confirm the answer. See, my boxes. Each box is what? Each box. Sorry. Sometimes this pen is. Okay. Anyhow, no problem. I will change the color here. See, he is touching the curve at this point. So when you go from here, see, from here to the line, so this is, yes, 6 and 6. So 210, yeah, it's correct. 210 and plus 12, it's correct. 222. This question done. Let's go to next question. Question number 10. Question 10 says, sketch the graph of 10. Yeah, it's simple thing. But they say sketch the graph in between 1 and minus 1. So we have values here 30, 60, 120, 150, 210, 240, 300, 330. Look, what is it's 0.5. 0.5 is here. Okay. So 0.5 0.5 is somewhere here. And this pen is, again, sometime it starts this thing, which is sometime, not always. Okay, now 0.5 is here and 0.5 is here. So this is basically 0.5 and this is minus 0.5. Okay, look class and students, at 30, what is tan 30? Tan 30, let me check tan 30. It's 0.577. So it's more than 0.5. Okay, it's more than 0.5, so somewhere here. We can say, yeah, there. Now, if you check at 1060, 1060 is going beyond 1. So we can't plot that point. Yeah, beyond 1. 1090 is giving us math error. So see, we go, that's the dotted line, and we plot the point this way. That is the, now see, come here. What about 120? Tan 120 is what? Tan 120. It's minus tan 120, sorry. Tan 120 minus 17 minus 1.73. It's beyond 1, so we can't do that. So tan 150. Tan 150 is what? Yeah, minus 0.75. So tan 150 I will plot, and somewhere below minus 0.5, somewhere there. And tan 180, I think that's 0. Yeah, tan 180 is 0. 0, so plot that point there. Then this is 210. At 210, tan 210. It's 0.57, so above 0.5, somewhere here. Then tan to 40 is giving us more than 1, so we can't do that thing. We can't plot that because our range is from 1 to minus 1. So just plot these points. Yes. Then here is 300. So tan 300 is what? Above, below minus 1, we can't do that thing. Tan 330 is minus 0.57. So minus 0.57 is, let's say, somewhere here. And tan 360 is giving you 0. So fine. So we say, students, that is a sketch. That's a sketch for tan. Done. Now here, one solution for tangent x 0.839 is this one. Find the other solution within this range. Now we have a rule for tangent, that is tangent x is tangent x plus 180. I have taught this to my students. You should know this rule. If this rule is known to you and you know this rule, then it's very easy. Tan 40 is tan 40 plus 180. So which is 220. So the answer is 220 here. So 220 is the other angle which give you same result. Yeah, 0.839. That's the answer. Now use your sketch to work out the value for tan 140. Now they say here in this part, they say use sketch for 140. Now see students, 140 somewhere here. See, 140 somewhere here. And this is, this result is more than 0.5. Okay, this is more than 0.5. So now see, we got here for 30, we got what? For 30, we got 0.577. So what's the value for 40? For 40, we have a different result there. For 60, we have different result there. Just wait, student, just wait. Okay, so I was telling you that sine 30 is giving us 0.57, something like that. So tan 30 is giving us like 0.57 something. So tan 40 will of course giving us bigger value. See, it's shown to us here. A tan 40 is giving 0.839. Now there's a formula which is tan x. You should remember these rules because they are helping you a lot. So minus tan 180 minus x. See here, this is my 140. Even if I come to 140, see 40 is here. 40 is giving you 0.839. So this 140 would be giving same answer, but this would be negative. See here, the rule, even the rule is showing that thing. I'm doing the graph here, but the rule is also showing that thing here. This will be approximately minus 0.8, like not approximately, exactly, sorry, not approximately, because it's a formula, it's a rule. So this is 10 40. So tan 40 is exactly equal to minus tan 180 minus 40. So it means minus tan 140 will be equal to tan 40. What is tan 40? Tan 40 is 0.839. So minus tan 140, it means that tan 140 is exactly minus 0.839. I hope you understand this thing. I will again repeat this thing. See, I will again show the graph. The graph is 180 here. So 140 is, see, 40 steps back here. Now this is 40. 40 is giving us 0.839. So 140 will also give us 0.839, but the value, even you see, if you draw the graph again, they're neat graph, and you check the value of the tan 140, so it will be giving you 0.83, something like that. But I'm showing it with the help of the formula as well, and I have told you that if the question is asking you to use sketch or use graph, then you do the question with the help of the graph. But I have told you that you can use calculator or formulas, okay, to confirm your answer. So formula is tan x equal to minus tan 180 minus x. So if you use x here, tan 40, use x here, see, 180 minus 40. So tan 40 is minus tan 140. Now you are basically needing tan 140. So minus goes to the other side, minus tan 40 here. So minus the result of tan 40 is what? 0.839. I hope it's clear to all now. If still there's some doubt, then you can write in the comment section. I will try to address that. Question number 11. Question 11 says, find the coordinates of the two turning points. This is a very simple question. Turning points are here, see. These are turning points. 1 point here, 1 point here. So first point is 90 and 1. Second point is 270 and minus 1. We have done this question. Like in the beginning, we have done this question. Now, this, they say cos 70 is cos P. P should be in this limit, yes, in this range. Now, we have a formula, cos X, cos 360 minus X. You can use this formula, students. Look, I want to confirm it. See, cos 30 and cos 360 minus 30. Check both the values. They will be same. Cos 10 and cos 360 minus 10. They are same. So if cos 70, I will write here cos 360 minus, sorry, 60 minus 70. So it's giving us 290 here. That's the result. Now sketch the graph of sine. Look, let's sketch the graph. This is a 90, this is 180, this is 270, and that's so for this is 0.5, this is minus 0.5. Now for tan is 90, this is 180, this is 270. Sine 90 is what? Sine 90 is 1. Sine 180 is what? 0. Sine 270 is what? Minus 1. Sine 360 is what? 0. On plot, join the points. That's the sketch. Now let's say solve this thing. So see, sine x is minus 1 upon 3. Now, they don't say solve this thing with the help of the graph. So we can do it like anyway. Now, using any method. So x is sine inverse minus 1 upon 3. What's the result, class? Our students, sine inverse minus 0.333 or 1 upon 3. 19 point minus 19.47. Now I have taught you the ASTC diagram. Sign is C negative here, and negative is, sign is negative, and negative is not lying in the first quadrant. It's not lying in the second quadrant. Sign is negative in the third quadrant and in the fourth quadrant. A, S, T, C diagram. So here is 19.47 or 19.5 degrees. Let's say 19.5 degrees, because angle is always one decimal place. So it's 19 point, yes. If it's 19.5 degrees, then how to find the angles? The angles will be, see, this is the angle, this is also 19.5. So first angle is 180 plus 19.5, which is 190, 9.5. Yeah, 199.5. The other angle is, see, I will change the color. The other angle is this one. So 360 minus 19.5, which is what? 360 minus 19.5. So the other angle is 340.5. So these are the answers. I hope it's clear to all. So let's go to next question, question 14, 15, and then 16. There are 3 questions I'm doing. Now look at this question. 410x is equal to minus 1. Sorry, 410, I will again erase it. 410x plus 3 is equal to minus 1. So 410x is equal to minus 4. 10x is equal to minus 1. X is 10 inverse minus 1. Result is what? Minus 45 degrees. But they want answer in positive. So angle is not minus 45. We can use this ASTC diagram to get the correct answers. Now, negative 45 is, see, we know that tangent is always positive in the first quadrant. This is A, all positive, S positive, tangent positive, and cos positive. A, S, T, and C. Tangent is negative either in the second quadrant or in the third quadrant. So let's plot, let's make a terminal ray. A terminal ray comes here. So that is 45 degrees. If that is 45 degrees, then this is also 45 degrees. Now, what are the angles? The angles are, C. Angle is this one, which is 180 minus 45, which is 135. Then the angle is this one, C, students. The angle is this one, which is 360 minus 45, which is 315 degrees. These are the answers. Now let's go to next question. Question 15 is solve 5 minus 2 cos x is equal to 6. So minus 2 cos x is equal to 6 minus 5. And the answer should be in this range, 180 till 360. So minus 2 cos x is 1. So cos x is minus 1 upon 2. Now, x is cos inverse minus 1 upon 2. So this is the, look here. Shift cos, sorry. Shift cos minus 0.5. So 120 is the answer. Answer is 120 degrees. Now see, they say that the angle should be above 180. Now it means that 120 is not the answer. Come to ASTC diagram. Look, This is all positive, sine positive, tangent positive, and cos positive. So cos is positive here. It means cos is negative here or here. So if negative here or here, it means we can draw terminal ray this way. So this is 120 students. 120. So this is how much? 60. Then this is how much? 60. Okay, one answer is 120. So what's the other answer, students? One answer is 120 here. Then the other answer is this one, which is 180 plus 60, which is 240, and that's the answer. Come to the last question. Last question is here. They say, see, just plot the points. Okay, last question is very good question, by the way. Last question is very good question. Plot the points. 10 sine 40 is what? Sorry, not sine 40. 2 sine. Input the value of x. Wait. Input the value of x here in this function. See, in this function, input the value of x. So 2 sine 3 into 40 is 120. So this is basically 1.73. This is what? 3 into sine 3 into 60 is 180. 0. Then yeah. Then what about the 80? 2 sine 3 into 80, 240. Minus, so minus minus 1.73, yes. And here is the last value, which is 2 sine 300, I would say. Yes. Minus 1 point. No, it's basically 110, or it's 110. So it's basically 330. 330, yes. So minus 1. Minus 1, yes. Call plot these points. Sine this 0. For 10, it's 1. And for 20, it's 1.7. So 1.7 somewhere here. Then for 30, it's 2. Let's say 2 is here, yes. Then for 50, for 40, sorry, 1.73 somewhere. So let's say 1.73 somewhere here. Then for 50, it's 1. And for 60, it's 0. Then for 70, it's minus 1. And for 80, it's minus 1.73. Let's say it's somewhere here. For 90, it's minus 2, minus 90 minus 2 here, sorry. And for 100, it's minus 1.7. Minus 1.7 is somewhere here. Then for 110, it's minus 1. And for 120, it's 0. On plot the points and join the points with a curve. See, smooth curve should be there. I'm doing work with the stylus and writing pairs, so very obviously it will not be that much smooth, but I'm trying my best. Anyhow, I got the curve here. Now they say 2 sine 3x is 1.5. This is what, students, just like graphical solution, y is equal to 1.5. Where is 1.5? 1.5 is somewhere here. No. Yeah, 1.5 there, yes, yes. 1.5 is there. So draw a line. And then get solutions where the line is touching the curve. So those are the points which gives you the solutions. Okay, so that point and this point, please confirm your answer. And that's the sine, cos, tangent, graphical solutions, and I hope you all got it. So inshallah I'll be here again with new questions. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.